Welcome to Green Valley International Installation and Operation Tutorial Channel. In this episode, we will demonstrate the installation and disassembly process of LiGrip O2. The main components of LiGrip O2's equipment case include main unit, marking base, handle battery, phone holder, data cable, installation tools, USB flash drive, charger components. After opening the equipment case, take out the main unit, smart handle battery, and marking base in sequence. First, open the locking lever, align the battery groove with the main unit, and slide it into the base. Push it to the bottom, then lock the lever to complete fixation. After installing the battery, align the limit holes and screws at the bottom of the marking base, with the corresponding holes at the bottom of the battery. Tighten the screws to finish assembly. Once the device is installed, take out the phone holder, loosen the fixing knob on the holder. Slide the square buckle of the knob into the slot from above. Adjust to the correct position and tighten the fixing knob. The phone holder installation is complete. Press the red button on the phone holder to expand the slot. Place the phone in the slot and tighten it to fix the phone. After using the device, open the locking lever. Press the anti-drop button and slide out the battery, and put it back into the equipment case. Finally, unscrew the battery fixing screws from below the marking base. Disassemble the handle, pack the battery and base together to complete storage.